How to use AI avatar in Picsart. Ready to create a custom AI avatar? Here's how to do it in Picsart. Launch the AI avatar tool from the home page or explore section. Upload a set of clear selfies. Picsart will guide you on the required number. Select a style category, fantasy, professional, comic, or many more. Picsart's AI will process your photos and generate a batch of unique avatars in your chosen style. Once generated, you can download them or add them into other creative projects. What style are you excited to try? Sci-fi, casual, or artistic? Let me know in the comments below. Use bright, evenly lit selfies for the best AI results. And that's how you can use AI avatar in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.